All right, guys, we are going to work the first metric system problem in this course. So metric system problems can either be single step or multi-step problems, depending on what you are starting with in the problem and what you're converting to. For single step problems, you're going to convert from a base unit to something with a prefix, or from something with a prefix to a base unit. And so example problem 1 reads, how many milliliters are in 1.44 liters? Here, liters is the base unit, and milliliters is the thing with the prefix. That is what makes this a single step problem. So the first thing that you should do is to figure out what you're starting with. And so writing down what the problem tells us, we're beginning with 1.44 liters. The next thing that you do is figure out what you're converting to. We are converting to milliliters, and I like to write my conversions at the top of my problem so that I don't forget what I'm converting to. The next thing that you do is draw a multiplication symbol, draw a division arrow, and bring down the units that are at the top, which are right here. You bring them to the denominator so that they can cancel. Since this is a single step equation, you can go ahead and write what you're converting to here, which is milliliters, and then you can write your equal sign. So you're going to give the 1 to the thing with the prefix, and again here the thing with the prefix is milliliters, and you're going to give the metric system constant to the base unit. The base unit here is liters, and so the metric system constant for milli is 1 times 10 to the minus 3. You can see where liters cancels and you're left in milliliters, which is what the problem asked us for. And so in your calculator, you'll type 1.44 divided by 1 times 10 to the minus third. And this is what it looks like on my calculator screen. So 1.44 divided by 1e to the minus 3. Make sure you're using that minus button and not the subtraction button, because that may change the answer to your problem. And so the answer to this problem is going to be 1,440 milliliters. We want to make sure that we always remember to put our units, because as you saw in the Introduction to Physical Science lecture, a number without its units is meaningless. 1,440 what? Acorns, pecans, gallons of milk? No, we mean milliliters in this situation. And then, as a kindness to me, please always box in your answers. That way I know what your final answer is. Please let me know if you have any questions, and see you in the next problem.